Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to open up your PS4 to prevent it from sounding like a jet engine. To do so, you have to unscrew 4 of those screws, which are right there, right there, right there, and right here. To do so, you have to have a screwdriver with a T8 bit at the end. So I'll just get into it. So there you go guys, I just unscrewed all the screws, and to open it up you have to lift both of these corners and lift it up upwards and just slide it out. And that's all the dust that has been stored after a couple of months that I have not cleaned the PS4. That's probably what was actually causing your PS4 to be so loud when you're playing the games. Now I'll show you another example of how dusty my PS4 actually got. So right there you see a lot of dust contained onto a fan, which will cause it to be loud as there is more weight onto it. And to clean it up you'll need some brushes or compressed air if you have some, and just clean out through all the cracks and crannies to just get rid of all the dust. So I'll just get into this guys. Just get rid of all the dust that's in the corners, or just spray a bit of compressed air into the actual fan, but I don't have any, so I'll just do it with a small brush. Now I have got rid of all the dust from the fan that I could. Now what we could do is to remove the power supply. And to do so you have to take out 3 screws which are T8, as you have removed from the casing around PS4. And there's 2 Phillips head screwdrivers, which most of people probably should have in the household, which just looks like that. And there is 2 of them, which is one right here and one right there. I'll just get into it. Okay guys, I have removed all the screws from the power supply. There's been 2 Phillips head screws and 3 Torx screws with T8 bit. So the last thing to do to pull out the power supply is to take out the power cable. So just pull on it slightly, gently, to not rip it apart. There we go. That's how it looks. That's all we have to take out. And now guys, to take out the power supply you need to pull on those 2 tabs which are right there. So pull on this side slowly up, and then pull on this side slowly up as well, and it should come out quite easy. That's how it looks. It's probably gonna be dustier or less dusty than mine. Just put it aside. As I said previously, you can use compressed air to clean out the fan and the fins, but I don't have it right now, so I'm just gonna use a brush to do so. Okay guys, so there you go, that's how it looks. I've got some dust bunnies right there. And now I'll just put time-lapse, me putting back in together and starting up to show you that it actually works. So there you go, guys. PS4 is now put back together, and I will show you that it starts up and still works. And as you can guys see, the PS4 works. It turns on. So that'll be that for this video, guys. Leave the comment down below, subscribe and like the video if you liked it, disliked it. If you disliked it, see you next time.